jumping right in, we are grabbing some jasmine rice. You just need 1 cup and pop it on the rice cooker, whatever rice cooker you have. Now it's time to slice some veggies, any veggies of your choice. I chose bell peppers, onions, and broccoli. Get yourself some canola oil. We're going to coat the bottom of our pan and let that heat up. You can use vegetable oil. I use canola oil. Yep, that's looking good. Alrighty, and then we're jumping into blocking that tofu. You can cut the pieces as big or as small as you want. Totally up to you. And then once those are all diced up, we're going to pop them into a bowl. And then it is time for some cornstarch, baby. We're going to dredge that tofu and just shake it all up. It's a tofu party. It is a tofu party. Twerk something, tofu. Twerk something, tofu. Okay, now we're going to make our sauce. So I'm starting with hoisin sauce, just a couple squirts of that. And then going in with some orange sauce, shaking a little bit of that in there. Awesome. And then sweet chili sauce. I love just combining a bunch of different sauces just so I can get the perfect balance of sweet and savory. And I'm just eyeballing here. Going in with some soy sauce, couple glugs of that, and then a little scoop of black bean sauce, just plopping that right in the mix. And then I'm going in with some crunchy garlic chili sauce, another little scoop of that. And then we're almost done, just popping in some sesame seeds, and then of course some red chili pepper. 5-star spice over here, but you can do you. Then we're mixing that all together, making sure it's all blended nicely so we can dump it over our hot tofu and veggies.
Big Gilly in the house. Mr. Parsons making it.
And then now I'm just placing the tofu into the hot oil, and we're gonna get that nice and crispy. And remember, I use super firm or extra firm tofu. That is so key.
You better put your head in that pan if you want some meat.
And flipping those little tofus over, you can see they're starting to get nice and crispy, golden brown. Amazing, amazing, amazing. And then using the remaining oil, so after I removed the crispy tofu, I'm using the remaining oil in the pan, and I'm going to quickly pan fry these vegetables. And you can dump out some of the oil if you have too much in there. You don't want everything to be too greasy. And then I'm popping a lid on top to make sure all that gets steamed really nicely and quickly. After the veggies are done, I'm putting the crisp tofu back into the pan, and I try to leave it out of the pan for as long as possible so it stays crispy before I put the sauce on. So we're putting the sauce on now. Last minute, you want to put the sauce on at the last minute, like I said, so that the tofu can stay crispy. And then you're just going to mix. It's a sauce party. It's a sauce party. And at first it looks like you might not have that much sauce, but then it stretches, you know, everything gets coated nicely. We got that nice delicious hoisin soy orange glaze on there. Chili flakes coming through, sesame seeds coming through. And then I'm just putting some multi-purpose furikake seasoning on the white rice, for a decorative touch, and boom, look at that. Bomb. Bomb. Dinner for two, baby. Dinner for two. Enjoy.